Dear students, in a consumption-oriented society like ours, it is pertinent to analyze consumption functions. And for that, integration can help us. Let us see how. In this situation, we are going to take MPC, which is the marginal propensity to consume. Mathematically speaking, it is the derivative of the consumption function. Now, if we are given the value or the function of MPC, we can get to the total consumption function. And for that, integration can come to our rescue. Let us see. Now here we have taken a numerical instance where MPC is calculated via this function, which is the marginal consumption function. You can see there is 20 and there is a variable component in the whole expression. We are also informed that the consumption is 420 when the income is 16. So this is a condition which is going to help us when we go ahead. Now what we are required is to find out the consumption function. As I said earlier, that if I integrate the marginal propensity to consume, I will get the consumption function, which is written on the left hand side. Rest is the solution on the right hand side that we will see. Now this is the thing that we are trying to solve, and with our existing knowledge we can easily solve this expression because this is a constant function and we can easily integrate it, and this is a variable function which we can use, which we can solve using the power rule, and here we are doing the same thing. And at the end there is that arbitrary constant that makes the solution general in nature. So this is the final result after all the adjustments, and this is, as we already agreed, it is an indeterminate consumption function or general consumption function. We can make it specific or definite by using this equation that was given before, that if the income is 16, the consumption will be 420, and that is the value we are going to substitute in this general function that we had here. And as you can see, wherever there is y, we are putting 16, and then it should be 16, right? So after putting these values, we will be left with this expression. Let's not forget that on the left hand side we have 420, that is the consumption is 420 when y is 16. Now we can easily extract the value of c, which is the missing part, and the value of c now is found to be 20. That can be returned in the general consumption function in place of c, which is going to make the consumption function definite or determinate. Now we can also rewrite it by taking 20 as a common factor, because we can see that 20 can come out as a common factor. This will make it easy to read. Now this is the function that we have developed. This is the definite consumption function, and this is how it is plotted. We have income, the independent variable, and the consumption, which is the dependent variable, and we have a positive relationship. And also we must not forget the intercept, which is showing the autonomous consumption, which is 20 in this case. And this is the variable part, which is having a positive slope, and it verifies that whenever income increases, the consumption also increases. So in this way we can use integration to find out the total consumption function with the help of marginal consumption function, or MPC. Thank you.